First, let me introduce myself. My name is Kamila from Indonesia University of Education, and let's begin the talk. First, I would like to begin with a question. What is sleep deprivation? Let's start with the word deprivation. Deprivation means that it is lack of something, and by this case, it means that it is lack of sleep. And sleep deprivation occurs when someone doesn't get a healthy amount of sleep. What is the healthy amount of sleep? We will know about it today. Next, here are our points of discussion today. There are 3 points. The first is the study about human sleep patterns according to other primates, and then the recommended sleep duration, and the third is the common signs of sleep deprivation. Okay, the next is, how long do you sleep in a night? And I guess it's just around 6 hours, 7 hours.
Oh, 3 hours.
8 hours. That's worse. Yes, maybe when you were accompanying your husband watching World Cup at 2 a.m. and it causes you to sleep deprivation, and when you are teaching your children to do their homework, so that you are sleep deprivation. And if you feel like you don't have enough sleep, you are not alone, because this is the fact that most of people around the world sleep so much shorter than chimps, baboons, or any other primate studied so far, based on a new study. What is the study? To find the study, I use literature research method, and the study is about how humans have evolved to behave by these amazing people, which are evolutionary anthropologists. In their new study, there were the comparisons between 30 different species of primates, including us, humans. And what is the result? Let's start with the chart. This is the subset of data on how long some primates sleep. These dark blue bars, there are 3. It shows whose sleep time differs significantly from the researchers' predictions, and humans is also included. Most of the primates sleep somewhere between 9 and 15 hours daily, while humans averaging just 7. See the striking difference? Yes, it's human on 7 hours. But in contrast, humans have the highest proportion of sleep in REM state, or rapid eye movement, which is 25%, while the other primates only around 5 to 10%. What does that mean? It means that humans have the deepest sleep among any other primates. And then, based on the lifestyle and biological factors, humans have to sleep at least 9.55 hours in a night, based on Samson and John. But however, National Sleep Foundation, which is U.S. non-profit organization that supports public understanding about sleep and sleep disorder, give recommendation to human sleep duration. And I guess all of you are included here, adults, and 7 to 9 hours of sleep is enough for you in a night. But you have to concern about your husband too, and your children here. You have to remember, and maybe you can take a note. And you have to remind your husband or your family that 7 to 9 hours is enough for them. Yes. And then what's more, there are the common signs of sleep deprivation, which are sleepiness, trouble in concentrating, and etc. Sleepiness is the most common sign of sleep deprivation. And then trouble in concentrating. Why? Because sleep can help us to think and to learn. And if we have sleep deprivation, it means that our ability to concentrate will be decreased. And then memory and thinking problems. That is because sleep is very important, have important role in our memory and thinking process. By that, if our sleep time is disturbed, and our memory and thinking process is also disturbed. And the fourth is mood changes. If you ever found yourself short-tempered when you don't get enough sleep, it means that sleep deprivation also causes you to be more irritability. And the last is hallucinations. It's like you see something there, but it's simply not there actually. And it is the worst signs of sleep deprivation. But however, sleep deprivation can also lead to another internal system problems in our body. And also it can also lead to chronic sleep disorders, which is very dangerous. These are the diseases that can be caused by sleep deprivation. It seems like it's not that dangerous, but it's actually that dangerous. And then we are arrived to our summary of today's talk. Yes, and what's more? After knowing the fact that humans are mostly sleep deprived, we as a human have to maintain our daily sleep time, and we also have to remind our people's sleep time to sleep earlier and following the suggestion of the scientists. And also, yes, and that's all. Thank you. And is there any question? Yes?
Yeah, I have a son, and when I tell him to sleep, and he always say, I got insomnia, Mom. So what's the difference between the insomnia with the sleep deprivation?
Oh, that's a great question. Yes. I will try to answer it directly. So, what is the difference between insomnia and sleep deprivation? So, insomnia refers to the inability of someone of getting enough sleep. It can be lack in its quality or its length, and it cannot be helped. While sleep deprivation refers to the limited time of sleep. It's like sleep deprivation is kind of lack of time to sleep, while insomnia is there are still the opportunities to sleep, but the patient is still cannot sleep enough. Yes, and from that, many of the insomnia people, many of the patients of insomnia experience that, and they don't seem like showing the signs of sleep deprivation, but they are still don't get enough sleep. Is it obvious? Okay, I think one question is enough. Thank you, and for another question you can contact me here. Thank you so much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.